Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And your laptop is freeze when you are connect HDMI cable. So guys, first very important, restart your laptop and desktop, disconnect HDMI cable, and then reconnect your HDMI cable. Okay, then right click, otherwise click to start and type device manager. Open it. In the system device, other universal bus control, extract this. Okay, and this is right click to update, close it, and all driver one by one. And so click to scan hardware changes. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, next click, and in your keyboard I show you, click Windows and press P. After that you can see these options will become, press Windows and then press P. So duplicate extender. Okay, use extender and then connect it, connect the cable, and after that you select this extended. Okay, and then check it's not working. So last method is very important. Close it, click on start, then type cmd, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this 4 command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type to manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that try next command. So it is completed. Then next, first, second, third and fourth. So one by one try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.